Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Rare car this, not many of these were sold actually or built. So this is a Vignale, so it's based on a Mondeo. So it's a Ford Mondeo 2 litre TDCi Vignale, top of the range, Euro 6 manual diesel estate car, 96,000 miles, 9 services. At 87,000 miles of its 8th service, it had the cam belt and water pump replaced. So it's had the belt done. Lovely thing. Lots of services, lots of service history, and beautiful condition. £8,995. Can't remember it's Tokia or Mokia or the sort of metallic paintwork, which was one of the Vignale colours. They didn't do too many cars, not too many different colours. Massive spec really. I think it's got reverse camera, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, heated steering wheel, power tailgate, power folding tow bar. I think it's probably got lock-on cruise control, front and rear park sensors, lovely leather trim, you know, big spec car. Got the wind deflectors on the windows, got the privacy glass. They just threw every extra at them. Got a heated windscreen. Lovely thing. £8,995 on a 2016. Nice deep rear valance, the cutout in the centre for the folding tow bar. It says Vignale in the chrome strip around the back. LED lights, as I say, reverse camera, privacy glass, lovely sort of titanium grey alloy wheels, keyless entry, keyless start. The wheels are immaculate. The whole car's immaculate. Not stone chips, no scuffs, no dents, no scratches. Lovely thing. See up there in the windscreen, it must have all sorts of cameras built in. Okay, two-tone black and black leather with white edging. Still got some of the polythene covering on the Vignale door entrance, door scuff plate. Lovely black leather with the octagons in and the white piping. Leather steering wheel, cruise control, multifunction, etc. You'll see down there I've got the heated steering wheel on and the heated seats on. Obviously got satellite navigation, DAB radio. It's got the top of the range Ford Sync from Microsoft, it says down there on the badge. 6-speed manual diesel. Obviously lots of room in these Mondeo estate cars. Lovely, you know, lots of leg room in the back for your passengers, and still a really big boot. So if I press the tailgate button, it will open on its own. Power tailgate. Load covers in there. Boot mats in there. Underneath the boot mat is brand new, and underneath is a space saver spare wheel. It's got the big subwoofer there, and if we press that twice there, and there's a power folding tow bar. Here it comes. There you go. Power folding Ford tow bar. Then press that button. You can press the button and the tow bar folds away as well. Beautiful paintwork this side as well. Unmarked alloy wheels. Lovely estate car for the money. This superb, luxurious thing. Lovely xenon headlamps, which are super bright. I drove it last night in the dark. Memories for the driver's seat, electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors. The electric driver's seat, no wear on the leather on the driver's seat at all. It is very nice. So satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, nice big clear reverse camera. It's got blind spot monitoring. It's got activity stop, it's got dog guard, active park assist, all sorts of stuff on it. Anyway, 8995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you will be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.